There's a very common complaint working on Hector's car, and on the right side used to happen a lot, still happens. And this is kind of a question and answer, but somebody will say, oh, every time I hit a bump on the right side of the car, I hear a boom. What the heck is wrong? Well, it's an easy one. Come down here to the sway bar where I have my finger, and there's no rubber in there. You can look on the opposite side, there's rubber in there, but on this side there's no rubber whatsoever. Now the question is, why? And if you look real hard, it should be obvious. All that oil that dripped off of the valve cover gasket is all dripped down, dripped in here, and blew out the rubber. Actually, it softens the rubber, the oil does, and the clip, it just falls right out. Now, the other thing that I have seen in the past is elongation of the clip. And by the way, this clip's a real bite in the butt to get to, because there's a little bolt in the back of the nut is in the back of the bolt. So it's always interesting when you have an Alliance and you hear the boom and you go, what's wrong? It sounds like the whole front end's gonna fall out. It's just the sway bar with no bushing in there, and it happens all the time.